So yesterday I opened a couple of locks with zip ties. Today I have two locks with two turning tools. So first I'm going to use this multi-pick and then this Sparrow's just wiper insert. Multi-pick goes in like normal. And boom. Kind of used it like a jiggler, just jiggling the pins until it pops open. Now, I tried to do a pin tumbler yesterday and I couldn't get it with the zip ties, but I might have gotten it today with the turning tools. I mean, and trust me, I know these aren't impressive locks or anything. It's just I thought that was pretty neat.